So in this video, I'm going to show you how I mud joints on the ceiling with a hawk and a trowel. Come follow along. So today I'm going to be mudding all the butt joints on the ceiling in this half duplex. So you see there's one, little one, there. That's all of these joints right here. Don't have the factory edge and they need to be mudded nice and wide with a big trowel. So for mudding these butt joints, I'm going to be using a 22-inch trowel. It's nice and wide. I can get a lot of mud loaded on this. Now let me show you what I do first. First thing I'll do is take my 6-inch and just scrape off any excess mud from the coat before. I'll just clean it up a little bit, just to make sure that no dry flakes get into my new compound. The next thing I'll do, I'm going to load up a bunch of mud onto my hawk, and I'm just going to start loading. What I like to do is I start where this flat joint is, and I'm overlapping the first coat of mud. That way I can feather it nice and smooth. So I'll load both edges first, and then I mud the middle. And then what I do is I like to get the mud off this edge first, and then I'm going to feather the edges. Now this edge. Now I'm going to go lightly down the middle. And so this is what it looks like when it's mudded. See, it's nice and wide. The edges are feathered. You can't see any tape down the middle. That's going to be a nice, easy sand. Now I'm going to show you how I mud this little butt joint right there. Now it's the same idea as the previous joint, except now I'm going to be going right into the edge. Right into the edge of the wall, just so I don't have any level difference there. Now the other side. And middle. So same idea, now I'm going to feather both edges. And now down the middle. That's it. So here's another butt joint on the ceiling. I'm going to do the same idea. I'm going to clean it off of any dry stuff. Then I'm going to load mud on both edges. I'm going to go right into the wall, just so I don't have any level difference. Now other side. And now down the middle. Now feather both edges. Now down the middle lightly. One more swipe. One more swipe. So every butt joint is pretty much the same. It's the same process. You scrape off any excess flakes. And then you load it with mud. I always do the edges first. Now I'm going to start feathering. Feather that edge, feather this edge. Feather by the light. Now gently down the middle. It's a little bit rough still, so I'll go one more swipe on each edge. Down the middle. So again, same process as every other joint. Scrape it, get it nice and smooth. We start loading. Edge. Edge. And middle. Feather the edge, now the other edge. Gently down the middle. One more pass to smooth it out. Edge. There we go, perfect. There's nothing groundbreaking here. If you've done one joint, you've done them all. They're all pretty much the same. Do the edges. Middle. Feather. So here's the main floor ceiling. These are all the butt joints. They're all mudded nice and wide, can't see any tape. They're ready for sanding as soon as they dry, along with the rest of the ceiling. Hey, I hope you found that helpful. If you haven't already, leave a comment, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.